SteelBite Pro. Do this 60 seconds dental trick before going to bed tonight. The 100% natural solution that you can use to rebuild your gums and teeth starting today. Users say it's better than implants. Once all the bacteria are destroyed, SteelBite Pro will help you too. Stop bleeding and receding gums, while you regain their healthy look and feel. Stop the pain and infections. This alone will save your thousands in painful root canals and other dental bills. Make the ugly plaque buildup literally fall from your teeth. Escape gingivitis and periodontal diseases. Get rid of bad breath and all the embarrassing moments caused by it. Enjoy the confidence of having whiter teeth, without cavities. Never have to throw all your savings on dental implants and risk nerve damage or even facial paralysis. And never, ever have to go to the dentist. To create SteelBite Pro, we've sourced only the purest, highest quality 23 plants, herbs, minerals and vitamins, measure the exact quantities needed and put them into an easy-to-swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards, so you can be 100% sure it's safe, clean and of the highest quality. Moreover, SteelBite Pro capsules are non-GMO. They do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming. Not only is SteelBite Pro revolutionary in its approach, but it can be used by anyone, at any age, regardless of their medical condition. Even after years of neglect and decline. To date, more than 57,000 Americans just like you have already used the SteelBite Pro personally, or shared it with a loved one. And across the board, the results are incredible. You have absolutely nothing to risk because you are also covered by our 60 days 100% healthy or money-back guarantee. All you have to do in order to achieve the same life-changing results is to start using it as soon as possible. The solution is much simpler than you'd think. And you can get access to everything in the next 90 seconds.